name is Angel Cruz. Before I came in, I was suffering from tinnitus or tinnitus. My eyes were real dry. I got headaches. My lower back will hurt. My neck will hurt. Couldn't sleep at night. But for the last couple of months, coming and getting treatment, my headache is gone. No more eye drops. My back doesn't hurt. My lower back doesn't hurt, and I can sleep at night. And I do appreciate a lot the doctor, what she's done. And I definitely request anybody has the same problem to come in, and definitely going to feel much better.